नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे इस नए वीडियो में और आपके अपने YouTube चैनल मज़ेदार रीडिंग में। तो कैसे हैं दोस्तों? आशा करता हूँ आप लोग बहुत ही अच्छे होंगे और फिट होंगे। चलिए दोस्तों, आज हम लोग करने आ रहे हैं चैप्टर नंबर 3 पॉलिटिकल साइंस NCERT क्लास 7th की रीडिंग। तो चलिए, इसका नाम है हाउ द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट वर्क्स। इसकी रीडिंग करने जा रहे हैं आज हम लोग दोस्तों। और पहले ही आपको बता दूँ डिस्क्लेमर के तौर पर कि मैं आपको ये चैप्टर समझाता नहीं हूँ और ना ही आपके लिए और ना ही मैं आपको नोट्स लिखवाता हूँ, ठीक है? तो मैं केवल आपके लिए रीडिंग करके देता हूँ, ताकि क्या होता है ना कि रीडिंग करने से आपको चैप्टर का जो अंदर की बातें हैं वो पता चलता है, और क्वेश्चन अगर अंदर से आ गया तो आप लोग घबराते नहीं हैं, बल्कि उसका सामना करते हैं डट के और बहुत ही अच्छा सा आंसर लिख के आते हैं, और जिससे कि टीचर क्या हो जाता है, खुश हो जाता है। तो इसीलिए दोस्तों, टीचर को अगर खुश करना है तो NCERT पढ़िए दोस्तों, बहुत ही ध्यान से पढ़िए, एकदम पूरा मन लगा के पढ़िए। चलिए दोस्तों, शुरू करते हैं। यहाँ देखते हैं हुज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, एक कार्टून जैसा कुछ है, हुज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कॉमिक के तरीके से। तो यहाँ क्या बोल रहा है, हे लुक एट दिस, ये क्या बोल रही है, हे लुक एट दिस, इट सेज दैट देयर इज अ वाटर शॉर्टेज इन आवर स्टेट एंड पीपल आर फॉलिंग सिक इन मैनी विलेजेस। People were found to be drinking unclean water. Streams have dried up and so have tanks. In the worst affected areas, villagers have been carrying water across great distances. People at the district headquarters, Patalpuram, receive water supply once in 3 days. The district hospital here is overflowing with patients, a large number of whom are children with acute diarrhea. Last year we discussed the fact that government works at three levels: local, state, and national government. Local, state, and national level, and looked at the work of the local government in some detail. In this chapter, we examine the work of the government at the state level. How does this take place in a democracy? What is the role of a member of the legislative assembly, MLA, and ministers? How do people express their views or demand action from government? We look at these questions through the examples of health. On the TV news they said, यहाँ वापस से कंटिन्यूएशन हो रहा है दोस्तों उसका, इसी का कॉमिक जैसा चीज़ का। ऑन द मतलब कॉमिक बुक नहीं, मतलब वो क्या बोलते हैं, ये वाला जो स्टोरी है इसका कंटिन्यूएशन हो रहा है। ऑन द TV न्यूज़ they said 10 people have died from diarrhea. Is that possible? Can one really die from it? Who knows? Just hope I don't get it. That afternoon, my mother said not to have any iced drinks from the market. She gave one of her lectures in the morning. You have to be responsible for your health, Shirin. Haha. तो दूसरी वाली दोस्त उसकी हंस रही है, बोले अच्छा ये बात है। सडनली स्टॉप, कोई इनको रोक लेता है, लगता है पुलिस है। दिस रोड इज ब्लॉक्ड ड्यू टू द रैली दे हैव गेरोड the MLA's residence. Really, why? Has he done something? Haha. They seem more angry about what he hasn't done. पुलिस वाली यही बोल रही है। And we demand that the authorities take immediate action to bring the public health situation under control. Our MLA must take the responsibility of this. What a loud voice he has. He must be a leader or something. Shh. I saw him on TV too. He is a member of the opposition. Who is an MLA? In the above section, you have read about some events in Patalpuram. You may be familiar with some official names such as collector, medical officer, but have you heard of an MLA and the legislative assembly? Do you know the MLA of your area? Can you identify which part she or he belongs to? What is happening in Patalpuram? Why is this problem serious? What action do you think can be taken in the above situation, and who do you think should take this decision? Members of the legislative assembly, तो ये सब क्वेश्चन को दोस्तों आप लोग आंसर कीजिए। Members of the legislative assembly, MLAs, are elected by the people. MLAs are elected by the people, then they then become members of the legislative assembly and also form the government. In this way, we say that the MLAs represent people. The example below will help us understand this better. if every state in India has a legislative assembly, each state is divided into different areas or constituencies. For example, look at the map below. It shows that the state of Himachal Pradesh is divided into 68 assembly constituencies. From each constituency, the people elect one of the representatives who then become a member of the legislative assembly, MLA. You would have noticed that people stand for elections in the name of different parties. These MLAs therefore belong to different political parties. Discuss the following terms with your teacher: public meeting, states in India, constituency, majority, ruling party, and opposition. Can you explain the following terms: majority, ruling party, opposition, with reference to your state? ये देखिए दोस्तों, आप लोग देख सकते हैं। इसका आपको मन करे तो कीजिए, और नहीं मन करे तो एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से उतना ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है नहीं। How do people who are MLAs become ministers or chief minister? A political party whose MLA have won more than half number of constituencies, more than half the number of constituencies in a state, can be said to be in a majority. The political party that has the majority is called the ruling party, and all other members are called the opposition. For example, the Legislative Assembly of the state of Himachal Pradesh has 68 MLA constituencies. The state of Himachal Pradesh is colored in purple in the above thumbnail of map. Using a pencil, outline the following on the मैप गिवन ऑन पेज 111, द स्टेट यू लिव इन, द स्टेट ऑफ हिमाचल प्रदेश। देख लीजिए दोस्तों, जो 1 से 11 नंबर पेज पे दिया गया है वो आप देख सकते हैं। रिजल्ट्स ऑफ द असेंबली इलेक्शन इन हिमाचल प्रदेश इन 2017। पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, नंबर ऑफ एमएलएज इलेक्टेड: भारतीय जनता पार्टी बीजेपी 44, इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस 21, कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया मार्क्सिस्ट 1, इंडिपेंडेंट्स हु डोंट बिलोंग टू एनी पार्टी 2। टोटल 68 हो गया। Candidates from various political parties won the 2017 elections and became MLAs. Since the total number of MLAs in the Legislative Assembly is 68, a political party would have needed to have more than 34 MLAs in order to gain a majority. The Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) with 44 MLAs had the majority and it became the ruling party. All other MLAs became the opposition. In this case, the Indian National Congress (INC) was the major opposition party since it had the largest number of MLAs after the BJP. Among the opposition were other parties, including those who had been elected as independent candidates. Construct a table similar to the one given for Himachal Pradesh from your state. The head of the state is the governor. She or he is appointed by the central government to ensure that the state government works within the rules and regulations of the constitution. Find out the name of governor of your state. ये दोस्तों आप लोग फाइंड कर सकते हैं। At times the ruling party may not be a single party but a group of parties working together. This is called a coalition. Discuss with your teacher. ये आप लोग अपने टीचर से डिस्कस करें। After the elections, the MLAs belonging to the ruling party will elect their leader who will become the chief minister. In this case, the BJP MLAs choose Shri Jairam Thakur as their leader and he became the chief minister. The chief minister then selects other people as ministers. After the elections, it is the governor of the state who appoints the chief minister and other ministers. The chief minister and other ministers have the responsibility of running various government departments or ministries. They have separate offices. A legislative assembly is a place where all the MLAs, whether from the ruling party or from the opposition, meet to discuss various things. Hence, some MLAs have dual responsibilities, one as an MLA and the other as a minister. We will read about this further. A debate in the legislative assembly. Afreen Sujata and many other students from their school traveled to the state capital to visit the legislative assembly, which was housed in a impressive building. The children were excited. After security checks, they were taken upstairs. There was a gallery from where they could see the large hall below. There were rows and rows of desks. This assembly was going to have a debate on a current problem. During this time, MLAs can express their opinions and ask questions about related to the issue or give suggestions about what should be done by the government. Those who wish to can respond respond to this. The minister can then replies to the questions and tries to assure the assembly that adequate steps are being taken. The chief minister and other ministers have to take decision and run the government. We usually hear about them or see them in the news channels or in the papers. However, whatever decisions are being taken to have or taken have to be approved. However, whatever decisions are being taken have to be approved by by the members of the legislative assembly. In a democracy, these members can ask questions, debate an important issue, decide where money should be spent, etc. They have the main authority. MLA 1 in my constituency of Akhand Gaon, during the last 3 weeks, there were 15 deaths because of diarrhea. I think it is a shame that this government has not been able to check the situation of a simple problem like diarrhea while proclaiming itself to be a champion of technology. I would call the attention of the minister in charge of health to take immediate measures to control the situation. My question, MLA number 2, my question is hospitals in such why are government hospitals in such a bad situation? Why is the government not appointing proper doctors and other medical staff in the district? I would also like to throw how I would also like to know how the government plans to deal with this situation, which is affecting a large number of people and is also spreading. This is an epidemic. MLA 3. My constituency of Tolpatti has a serious shortage of water. Women travel up to 3 or 4 kilometers to collect water. How many tankers have been put into service to supply water? How many wells and ponds have been cleaned and disinfected? MLA 4. I think my colleagues are exaggerating the problem. The government has taken steps to control the situation. Water tankers have been put into service. ORS packets are being distributed. The government is doing everything possible to help the people. MLA 5. We have very poor facilities in our hospitals. There are hospitals that do not have a doctor and no medical staff has been appointed for the last few years. In another hospital, the doctor has gone on a long leave. This is a shame. I think the situation is going from bad to worse. How are we going to ensure that ORS packets reach all families in the affected areas? MLA 6. The opposition members are unnecessarily blaming the government. The previous government did not pay any attention to sanitization. We have now taken up a drive to clear the garbage that has been lying around for years. Can you identify the MLAs of the ruling party and the opposition in the illustration? Color the ruling party in one color and the opposition in another. ये आप लोगों का काम दोस्तों कहिएगा. In the earlier section, you have read about a debate in the Legislative Assembly. The members were debating on the action taken or not taken by the government. This is because the MLAs are together responsible for the work of the government. In common usage, the word government refers to government departments and various ministers who head them. The overall head is the chief minister. More correctly, this is called the executive part of the government. All the MLAs who gather together assemble in the legislative assembly are called legislature. They are the ones who authorize and supervise their work. As we saw in the earlier section, it is from among them that the head of the executive or the chief minister is formed. Chief minister is formed. What were the main arguments put forward by different MLAs who thought that the government was not taking the situation in a serious manner? If you were the health minister, how would you respond to the above discussion? Do you think the above debate would have been useful in some ways? How? Discuss. In the working of the government, explain the difference between being an MLA and being an MLA who is also a minister. ये सब दोस्तों आप लोग देखिए, दोस्तों आप लोग टीचर से डिस्कस करके, दोस्तों में डिस्कस करके इन सब का आंसर निकाल सकते हैं अगर आप क्लास 7th में हो तो. और यूपीएससी वगैरह के लिए अगर हैं तो कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए आपको फ़ायदा ही देगा वैसे ये सारे क्वेश्चंस. तो वर्किंग ऑफ ये लास्ट वाला क्वेश्चन खासकर फायदा देगा. वर्किंग ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली इज नॉट द ओनली प्लेस वेयर ओपिनियंस आर एक्सप्रेस्ड about the work of the government and action is demanded. You will find newspapers, TV channels and other organizations regularly talking about the government. In a democracy, there are various ways through which people express their views and also take action. Let us look at one such way. Soon after the discussion in the assembly, there was a press conference organized by the health minister. Large number of people from different newspapers were present. The member and some government officials were also present. The minister explained the steps the government had taken. Reporters asked many questions at this meeting. These discussions were then reported in different newspapers. The following page has one such report. During the next week, the Chief Minister and the Minister for Health visited Patalpuram district. They went to visit the families who had lost their relatives and also visited people in the hospitals. The government announced a compensation for those families. The Chief Minister also said that he thought the problem was not only of sanitization but also of lack of clean drinking but also of a lack of clean drinking water. He said that high level inquiry committee will be asked to look into the needs of the district to provide sanitation facilities and would request the minister for public works to take care of the needs of proper water supply in the region. Government smells the garbage. Chief Minister promises funds for work. तो ये दोस्तों एक न्यूज़ का लगता है ये वाला, पाटलपुरम रवि आहूजा ने लिखा है इस आर्टिकल को. ड्यूरिंग द लास्ट फ्यू वीक्स देयर हैव बीन मेनी डेथ्स इन सम डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स ऑफ आवर स्टेट. देयर हैज बीन अ स्ट्रॉन्ग रिएक्शन दैट द गवर्नमेंट हैज नॉट टेकन this seriously. The health minister explained today at a press conference that his government has asked all the collectors and chief medical officers to take urgent measures. The most important problem is that of drinking water. The minister said that they intend to supply drinking water to every village through through tanker trucks. The chief minister has promised funds for this work. They also plan to start a campaign to inform people about the steps that can be taken to prevent diarrhea. When a reporter asked him as to what steps are being taken to see that the garbage that has been lying around for months is quickly collected, the chief minister said that he would look into this. Write two measures that the government undertook for controlling diarrhea. What is the purpose of a press conference? How does the press conference help you get the information on what the government is doing? ये हो गया दोस्तों. As you saw above, the people in power, like the chief minister and the minister, have to take action. They do so through various departments like the public works department, the agriculture department, the health department, the education department, and so on. They also have to answer questions that are asked in the legislative assembly and convince people asking the questions that proper steps are being taken. At the same time, newspapers and the media widely discuss the issue, and the government has to respond, for example by holding the press conferences. The government can also decide to make new laws for the state regarding sanitization and health facilities. For example, it may make it compulsory for municipal corporations to ensure that there are adequate toilets in every urban area. It may also ensure that a health worker is appointed in every village. This act of making laws on certain issues is done in the legislative assembly of each state. The various government departments then implement these laws. Laws for the entire country are made in the parliament. You will read more about the parliament next year. In a democracy, it is the people who elect their representatives as members of the legislative assembly, MLAs, and thus it is the people who have the main authority. The ruling party members then form the government and some members are appointed ministers. These ministers are in charge of various departments of the government such as health in the above example. Whatever work is done by these departments has to be approved by the members of the legislative assembly. In a democracy, people organize meetings to voice their opinions and protest against the government. देख लीजिए दोस्तों, ये पीपल ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं मीटिंग्स टू वॉइस देयर ओपिनियंस एंड प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट द गवर्नमेंट. नेम ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट, स्कूल एजुकेशन, पब्लिक वर्क्स डिपार्टमेंट, एग्रीकल्चर, एग्जांपल्स ऑफ देयर वर्क, यहाँ पे ये आप लोग को लिखना है. फाइंड आउट विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर टीचर द वर्क डन बाय गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स एंड द वर्क डन बाय द गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स मेंशन्ड अबव एंड फिल द टेबल. तो ये टेबल आप लोग फिल कीजिए अपने टीचर से पूछ के दोस्तों, ठीक है. A wallpaper project. A wallpaper is an interesting activity through which research can be done on particular topics of interest. The following photographs explain the different aspects involved in creating a wallpaper in a classroom. After introducing the topic and having a brief discussion with the whole class, the teacher divides the class into groups. The group discusses the issues and decides what it would like to include in the wallpaper. Children then work individually or in pairs to read the collected material and write their observations or experiences. They can do this through creating stories, poems, case studies, interviews, etc. The group looks at the material that they have selected, drawn, or written. They reach each other's writing and provide feedback to each other. They make decisions on what should be included and finalize the layout for the wallpaper. ये देखिए दोस्तों, ये मतलब ये सब देखिए, ये एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, तो ये आपको एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से जो ये मेन लिखे हुआ है ना, यही सब इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए, ठीक है. ओ बाप रे, ये स्टोरी है क्या पूरा? अच्छा. Each group then presents the wallpaper to the entire class. It is important that more than one member of the group is asked to present, that each group is allotted the same amount of time to discuss their work. After each group has presented, it would be a good idea to have a feedback session on the following: what more could they do on their own? How could their work be organized better? How could writing and presentation be improved upon? This wallpaper about the 2006 dengue epidemic was prepared by the children of class 6B of केंद्र विद्यालय 2 हिंडोन गाजियाबाद उत्तर प्रदेश. यहाँ के बच्चों ने बनाया था. डू अ सिमिलर, केवी के बच्चे हमेशा फेमस हो जाते हैं. डू अ सिमिलर वॉलपेपर प्रोजेक्ट अबाउट एनी इशू कनेक्टेड विद द वर्किंग ऑफ योर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, लाइक एन एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम, एनी लॉ, एनी एंड ऑर्डर इशू, मिड डे मील स्कीम, एट्सेट्रा. चलिए तो दोस्तों, अब हम लोग का क्या बाकी है? ग्लॉसरी बाकी है. कंस्टिट्यूएंसी, अ पर्टिकुलर एरिया फ्रॉम विच all the voters living there choose their representatives. This could be, for example, a panchayat ward or an area that chooses an MLA. Majority, this is a situation when more than half the number in a group supports a decision or an idea. This is also called a simple majority. Opposition, this refers to elected representatives who are not members of the ruling party and who play the role of questioning government decisions and actions, as well as raise new issues for consideration in the assembly. Press conference, a gathering of journalists from the media who are invited to hear about and ask questions on a particular issue and are then expected to report on this to the larger public. तो दोस्तों, इसी के साथ हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 3 खत्म हो जाता है. आप लोग का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि आप लोग अंत तक बने रहे. आप लोग अंत तक बने रहे मतलब दोस्तों, आप में अभी बहुत दम बाकी है और आप में दम है एक्चुअली पढ़ने का, तभी आप लोग अंत तक बने रह पाए हैं दोस्तों, ठीक है. तो आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत बधाई. और ऐसे ही आप लोग अगर एनसीईआरटी की रीडिंग सुनते रहे तो आपके दिमाग में एक दिन एनसीईआरटी छप जाएगी. आपको बस ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना है, 5-6 बार रीडिंग सुन लेनी है और उसके बाद बुक के क्वेश्चन आंसर याद कर लेने हैं. और अगर आप एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस भी पढ़ते हैं तो 4 चांद लग जाएंगे भाई साहब, मैं बता रहा हूँ, मज़ा आ जाएगा आपको. आप बुक के क्वेश्चन आंसर तो याद कर लिया, फिर मतलब सबसे पहले एनसीईआरटी रीडिंग किया, फिर क्या किया, फिर एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस और बुक के क्वेश्चंस याद कर लोगे ना, तो जान लो एग्जाम में पूरे नंबर बनेंगे. बहुत चांसेस है कि पूरे नंबर बनेंगे. क्यों पता है? क्योंकि कुछ आएगा ही नहीं इसके बाहर से. जो तुमने बुक में पढ़ा, एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस में उन्हीं से क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं और किताब के तो क्वेश्चन में वही क्वेश्चन होंगे. तो बस तुमको 3 चीज़ें करनी है. एक तो रीडिंग, और दूसरा हो गया एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस को याद करना, तीसरा हो गया किताब के एनसीईआरटी के क्वेश्चन को, चैप्टर के पीछे जो क्वेश्चन है उनको याद करना. बस आपका काम आराम से हो जाएगा दोस्तों, ठीक है. चलिए, तो आपको अगर मेरा एफर्ट्स पसंद आ रहा है तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें. और मेरे बेस्ट विशेस हमेशा आपके साथ रहते हैं. मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.